Hi class, good day. Welcome to another topic for discussion in basic accounting. Today's topic is all about accounting cycle, step 3, posting. Game. Posting. In this step, we need to transfer all the records from the general journal to general ledger. Lahat ng records natin sa general journal, ita-transfer natin sa general ledger. Dito, ginugrupo o kinaklasify natin yung mga magkakapareha na transaction. Halimbawa, lahat ng cash transactions, cash investments by the owner, cash loans from the bank, cash received from customers from rendered service, cash payment of expenses, or cash withdrawals by the owner. All of these involve cash transactions. Tama? At makikita natin yan sa cash ledger. Lahat ng account titles ng isang business o sa ibang sabi, lahat ng accounts sa chart of accounts ng business may kanya-kanyang ledger. Kung ilan yung account titles sa chart of accounts, ganun din yung bilang ng ledgers na mine-maintain ng business. By the way, ledger is a tool used to classify, store, and consolidate transactions, while the general ledger is the book of all those ledgers. We have three kinds of ledger formats. Number 1, T-account format. Number 2, 3-column format. Number 3, 4-column format. So, ipakita lang natin, no? Ayan, kung mapapansin nyo, this is the T-account format of a ledger. Kasi obviously, it is designed as letter T. Ito naman yung 3-column format. Kaya siya tinawag na 3-column format ay dahil sa debit, credit, at balance column na to. Ito naman yung 4-column format. Kaya naman siya tinawag na 4-column format ay dahil sa debit at credit columns. At itong column ng balance na hinati sa dalawa, debit balance column at credit balance column. Mostly for teaching purposes, madalas ang ginagamit ay itong T-account format. Kasi nga, mas madaling intindihin. Pero sa akin, for discussion purposes, I will use the 3-column format simultaneously with T-account format for tutorials and exercises. And by the way, class, in actual practice, the 3-column format and the 4-column format are commonly used. So let's start posting. As I've said, we will use the 3-column format. Continuing the illustrative problem for Pag-ong Delivery Express. So, ililipat lang natin itong 1st January 1 journal entry sa ledger accounts. Ilang ledger account ang paglilipatan natin yan? Tama, 4. Yan kasi yung 4 na account titles na involved sa journal entry na to. So, unahin natin yung cash on hand ledger. So, transfer natin yung date, which is January 1. Then, yung particulars niya, kokopyahin lang natin yung nasa explanation natin sa journal entry. Pero tanggalin natin yung phrase na to record. So, particulars natin, initial investment of Ong. Then yung amount, 50,000 sa journal at nasa debit column yan. So, dapat din nasa debit column yung paglagay natin sa ledger niya. So, next, proceed tayo sa balance. So, since as of now, 50,000 pa lang ang nandito, yan muna yung balance niya. So, sulat natin, 50,000. And last, itong PR na sinasabi nating post reference or folio. Ngayon, anong ilalagay natin dyan? Ang ilalagay natin dyan ay J2. Sir, bakit J2? Kasi J stands for journal and 2 stands for page 2 of the journal. Okay? For presentation purposes, lahat ng transaction na nirecord natin sa journal for January ay nagkasya sa page 2. So malamang lahat ng post reference natin puro J2 dito sa ledger. But of course, class, in actual practice, if the business using manual books of accounts, di palagi yung J2, syempre. Pwedeng J3, meaning yung journal entry being referred is on the page 3 of the general journal or the journal book. Tama? J4, J5, so on and so forth. So, okay na tayo dyan. Pero babalik tayo dun sa journal entry natin to input the details under the PR column as aligned with the cash on hand. Anong ilalagay natin dyan? Ang ilalagay natin dyan ay yung account number ng cash on hand ledger. At ito yun, parehas lang din dun sa account number na makikita natin sa chart of accounts ng business. At based sa chart of accounts ng business, ang account number ng cash on hand ay 101. So sulat natin 101. And we're done transferring the details of cash on hand to its ledger account. Tama? So pag nakita mo na may account number na nakasulat sa tapat ng isang account title under PR column, ibig sabihin lang nun ay posted na or na-transfer na yung detalye sa respective ledger nito. Okay? Now, di pa natin completely natatransfer yung buong journal entry for this January 1 sa mga ledger accounts. Kasi may tatlo pa. Tama? Cash in bank, delivery equipment, at on capital. So, uulitin lang natin yung process hanggang makumpleto natin yung pag-transfer ng buong journal entry. So, punta tayo sa cash in bank ledger, kopyahin natin yung date, particulars, and amount, which is 150,000 under debit column. Kasi debit column din siya per our journal. Then, let's compute the balance. So, wala pa namang ibang involved na amount. So, 150,000 yan. Now, post-reference natin, J2. Meaning, basis natin ay journal entry on page 2. Tama? Now, babalik tayo sa journal entry to write the respective account number of the cash in bank. And that is 102. Okay? So, next, punta tayo sa delivery equipment ledger. Ganun ulit, kopyahin natin yung date, particulars, and amount, which is 300,000 under debit column. Kasi nasa debit column din siya per our journal. Then, let's compute the balance. So, wala pa namang ibang involved na amount. So, 300,000 yan. Now, post-reference natin, J2. Ngayon, balik sa journal entry, lagyan natin ng account number, which is 112. To signify that it is posted. At panghuli, punta tayo sa on capital ledger. So again, copy the date, particulars, then yung amount, which is 500,000 under credit column dahil naka-credit siya sa journal natin. Okay? Then move forward to balance. Since wala pa namang ibang amount, yan yung balance natin, 500,000. Then post-reference natin, J2. Okay? Back to the journal entry, we will write its account number. And that is 301. Tama? And that's it. Posted na yung buong journal entry na to sa general ledger. Okay? So next nating ipopost is itong second January 1 journal entry. So unahin natin yung cash in bank ledger. So transfer natin yung date, which is January 1. Then yung particulars niya, kokopyahin lang natin yung nasa explanation sa journal entry. Pero tanggalin natin yung phrase na to record. So particulars natin, 2-year loans at 12% from BDO. Then yung amount, 500,000. Nasa debit column per our journal. So dapat din nasa debit column yan paglagay natin dito sa ledger niya. So next, proceed tayo sa balance before may 150,000. Tama? Nadagdagan ng 500,000. And so, ang balance natin na isusulat dito ay 650,000. Then post-reference natin, J2. Okay. Now, go back to journal entry, write the account number to signify that it is posted to cash in bank ledger. So, sulat natin 102. So, next, punta tayo sa notes payable ledger. Ganun ulit, kopyahin natin yung date, particulars, and amount, which is 500,000 under credit column. Kasi, nasa credit column din siya per our journal. Then, let's compute the balance. So, wala pa namang ibang involved na amount. So, 500,000 yan. Now, post-reference natin, J2. Going back to the journal entry, lagyan din natin ng account number, which is 204, to signify that it is posted. And we're done posting the second January 1 journal entry. Okay? So, last example na to na gagawin ko. Then, after this, fast forward na natin yung posting process hanggang sa maubos yung mga journal entries. Okay, so ipopost natin tong 1st January 2. So unahin natin yung furnitures ledger. So transfer natin yung date, which is January 2. Then yung particulars niya, kokopyahin lang natin ulit sa explanation. So particulars natin, purchase of furnitures through check. Then amount, which is 36,000 under debit column. Kasi nga, nasa debit column siya per our journal. And then, let's compute the balance. Wala namang involved na other amount. So, sa balance natin, 36,000 din. Okay? So, post reference natin, J2 again. Going back to journal entry, isulat natin yung account number nito, which is 108. At yan, posted na yan. So, sunod naman, punta naman tayo sa cash in bank ledger. So, kopyahin natin yung date, particulars, and amount, which is 36,000 under credit column. Kasi nasa credit column din siya per our journal. Then, let's compute the balance. So, meron tayong 650,000 before this. And take note, this time naka-credit siya. So, ibig sabihin, bawas yan. Tama? Cash in bank is an asset. If you debit, you increase it. And if you credit, you decrease it. Tama? So, mababawasan ng 36,000. And the new balance as of January 2 will be 614,000. Tama? And post-reference natin, J2, of course. Ngayon, balik tayo sa journal entry. Lagyan natin ang account number, which is 102. To signify that it is posted. And tapos na. Na-post na natin yung January 2 journal entry. At tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, fast forward natin yung process. Pero ipapakita pa rin natin sa video paano yung mangyayari. Okay? And now, last journal entry to transfer is the January 31. So, unahin natin yung rent expense ledger. So, transfer natin yung date, which is January 31. Then, yung particulars niya, kokopyahin lang natin ulit sa explanation. So, particulars natin, payment of rent for the month. Then, amount, which is 11,000 under debit column. Kasi nasa debit column din siya sa journal. And the balance, wala namang involved na other amount since this is the first entry for rent expense ledger. So, move forward lang natin, 11,000. Okay? Post reference natin, J2 again. Going back to journal entry, isulat natin yung account number nito, which is 506. At yan, posted na yan. So, sunod, punta naman tayo sa cash in bank ledger. So, isulat lang natin ulit yung date, particulars, and amount, which is 11,000 under credit column. Kasi nasa credit column din siya per our journal. Then, let's compute the balance. So, meron tayong 550,000 before this. And this time, naka-credit siya. So, ibig sabihin, bawas yan. So, mababawasan ng 11,000. And the new balance as of January 31 will be 539,000. 550,000 less 11,000. Again, post reference natin J2. Since yung journal entry na pinagbasihan natin nasa page 2 ng journal. Ngayon, balik tayo sa journal entry, lagyan natin ng account number, which is 102, to signify again that it is posted. So ayan, natapos na natin yung posting process. So refresh lang natin yung discussion. Accounting cycle, step 3, posting. Posting, in this step, we need to transfer all the records from the general journal to general ledger. Here, we classify, store, and summarize accountable transactions. We have 3 kinds of ledger format. Number 1, T-account format. Number 2, 3-column format. Number 3, 4-column format. At sana class, may natutunan kayo sa araw na to. Kung sakali, paki-like tong video na to, pa-share na rin, at mag-subscribe na rin sa channel para sa mga susunod na accounting topics. Nga pala, may nilagay ako na link sa comment section at description ng video na to para sa isang short quiz regarding sa topic natin. Para malaman ko rin kung may natutunan nga kayo. Remember this class. Great works are performed not by strength, but by perseverance. Muli, maraming salamat.